Go! Okay, in this video I'll be teaching three-dimensional editing. That is 3D editing, but three-dimensional makes it look more cool. It's that three-dimensional. Okay, yeah. Now we'll be editing objects and we'll be putting the objects into a landing page or an app. I'll take you along and everything I'm doing. This editing tutorial will be the first and will be the coolest. So let's go. You go to the pen tool, yeah, you draw something, and just any squiggly shape instead. Then you increase the stroke, definitely increase the stroke. Yeah. Then round those corners. You guys should know this, yeah. All those edgy stuff, yeah. I don't know what to call it, bro. Edgy stuff. Yeah, I increase the corners. So I think this thing is too slow. I think I should speed it up a little. Just a little. So yeah. You choose your color and make it linear. Because I prefer linear to solid so you can control the difference. I don't know how to just talk and be just watch and learn. Yeah. It's gonna be boring, I can't do that. So change the colors and then you go to effects. I love those effects. I love it, to be honest. They are not much, but they are awesome. Okay, you go to effects, you put inner shadow, then choose your secondary color. Firstly, secondary color, and yeah, secondary color is the one in the middle, the one that is not important and is not too obvious. Then you put y at -10, x at 20, 40, then blur at 60. Yeah, 60. Then you do the same, but you double the values, you double the numbers, and you put it for the primary color instead. So you primary color. I said you double the factors. Yeah, then you put the secondary color one more time to reduce, to add a white point to make it more 3D-ish. Understand? So now when you triple the factor, you triple the numbers, the x, y, and the blur, you triple them. So, but I think I should adjust them a little. Yeah, you think so? Yeah, it looks 3D-ish now, I think. Yeah, I see. Yeah, it's better now. It's better. You put it in a landing page. I've already created a tech landing page, so that's all.